Sabor latino, rumba para los rumberos y más amor para el mundo entero. Rumba para los rumberos, de corazón para el mundo entero. Esto es para que lo finquen con ganas,
para que lo escuchen en todos los rincones,
en los paris de los fines de semana,
y vean cómo la mamita linda se pone,
para que todo lo bailen sabroso,
y vean cómo se los oye a mi gente,
para que vean que también me lo gozo.
porque esto aquí ya se puso caliente.
Siente esta fina realidad, hecha con amor y calidad.
You made the right choice. Let's go. Next left. Take a right.
Guessing we're not on our way to a showdown race.
We always set them up like one. Helps us stay hidden.
From who?
The feds. Apparently, the government doesn't appreciate its citizens living off the grid. They found us last year back at Ventura Bay. We almost didn't make it. Soon as we got here, we started staging races to help keep our skills sharp. Never know when you're gonna need to drop everything and haul ass.
What do you need me for?
The only way you get better is by racing the best. And we need to be better. Show me your talents are reliable, and we can talk payment. We're here. We've got a new member with us today. I told them to give you all hell. I'm hoping you return the favor. Time to show me I was right to bring you here. Jesus out there. Just what I wanted.
After that, I think we can talk.
The Showdown has a consignment of high-end modifications being shipped into the city. They don't know it yet, but they're never getting them. Race with us again, and do what you did out here, and one of those parts is yours.
Deal.
I'll hit you up when we're ready.